It's Christmas. Merry Christmas to you all. It's snowing. It's a white Christmas outside. There's presents under the Christmas tree. It's so beautiful outside. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas to you all. Hey guys, welcome back to Kitchen Yum! I'm Valerie.
I'm Victoria.
And today we have a gingerbread box because we're doing a Christmas video.
Almost the whole thing is made.
But we also are going to decorate it and it's going to be so cool and fun. So let's get started. Let's go.
Oh! I told you it was already here.
Oh, this little friend.
I don't think I could get this thing out. I don't want to break it.
Everybody be careful when it comes to gingerbread houses.
Okay, we did it. Oh my god,
That was a big...
that is big.
Don't drop it. I don't want to drop this on the floor. Ooh, we got some gummies.
We got lots of candy.
I love candy. Okay, you have to... There's even instruction for this, or we have to prep our frosting.
I think you need to melt it or something.
Yeah, we're not experts. We usually build a gingerbread house with our family, so we're kind of new at this, doing this by ourselves this time. But this looks so good.
And it even smells good.
The candy's my favorite part. So let's unwrap this with our scissors. I'm not gonna cut it too bad.
I can't wait to eat the candy.
I know, candy is basically the best part.
And especially gummies. I love gummies.
Comment down below what you love to do for Christmas. I love presents and I love gingerbread houses.
Santa.
Oh yeah, he's very magical. Okay, now we gotta lift it out somehow. Oh, it smells so good. I can't just. I don't want. Oh, okay. Come on, quickly.
Okay, get out.
So, okay, here is our gingerbread house. Oh, that smells so good.
Oh my god! I just want to eat it.
So badly. So there's front doors on both sides. There's two windows on both sides, and of course there's a roof. And then it comes with red and green icing.
This will come in handy, the snowflakes, so we could just put it here and there.
And like Victoria was talking about the snowflakes, it comes with these sprinkles or something. We have the big tube of icing, not tube, but bag of icing.
We also have these and some Christmas lights.
That's candy. But don't eat your actual lights, because
You'll get sick.
yeah, don't eat your real
Oh, there'll be a
ones.
light bulb in your stomach.
Oh, me and Victoria love gummies. They're so good.
We haven't had them in a long time.
We have
Especially
these
the ones
colors.
with the powder. We haven't had the ones with the powder for a long time.
Oh, I just can't stop smelling.
Oh, this gingerbread is gonna be mine.
Okay. We also have some like peppermint and holly candy. We also have these gummy trees. Oh, I love gummy trees. And we have some icing tips.
I'm pretty sure we had this kit before.
Yeah, we have star gummies. And of course we have the other things that we need. And 2 gingerbread photos. So before we get started, let's prep our icing. So let's go. So every time we make a gingerbread house, you always need to prep the icing, and here are the instructions.
Knead the icing pouch for 1 to 2 minutes, bringing icing to room temperature and making it more adhesive. Repeat this process periodically during building and decorating if needed.
So that's what we have to do. This is gonna be a workout for your hands because you have to like massage it or squeeze it.
So we have to do it 1 or 2 minutes.
And bringing it to room temperature. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 59, 60. Just gotta snip away. And being very careful with the scissors because you don't want to chop a hand off. Yay! Okay, we got Christmas. Oh, you have to break the Christmas trees, but that'd be hard. Oh, okay, I did the.
Now I am going to open.
Oh yes, I didn't break it.
I'm going to open this now. Ooh, that was easy.
Find the icing tip of your choice. So, you have to cut it, I think. Oh,
This.
we usually never read the instructions. We just look at the
Okay,
pictures.
so we need this.
See, Victoria doesn't read how to do it. You sure? Because I don't want to be going the wrong way.
We are not.
I think that's pretty good for now, I guess. Victoria likes the icing.
You need to hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it.
I think it's best if we do this.
Yes.
Yes, that's what you do?
Yes.
Okay, if you say so then.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna just ice this part to make it a little more secure. This is going to be me, and this is going to be Victoria, so it's perfect. What am I even? Oh, I think I know. It's gonna be cute. So I'm gonna use the hollies to be like my bow, and it's gonna be really cute. I wonder what Oh, Victoria, why do you have red eyes? Gumdrops and lemons and I'm done. Okay, here we go. Here's mine. I wrote Val on it. I didn't write my whole name because it'd be too long. Here it is. Victoria. Oh, that's so cute. I could do your name, kind of.
Okay. Or you could just do my initials.
Ta-da! Here
it is.
our final result. It's so cute. And I think me and Victoria, the Gingerbread girls, are going to be very happy living in our house. But we're not done the house yet, so let's get to that. We are going to soon get ready to, assemble the pieces of the gingerbread house so we could decorate it after. We're finally done! It's not the best looking, but when we decorate it, it will look much better.
So here's what we got with this.
Yeah, it's our best.
Okay, now let's get started.
We've been waiting this the whole time. Ever since we started filming this video.
We've been waiting.
And
It's the
waiting.
fun part. It's just the fun part of it.
Ooh, oh my. Okay, that's gonna be hard. But I'm gonna add like these gummies to the roof. I'm making a rainbow of it. We don't have blue, so I just skipped blue, but it still looks so cool.
Just to mention, there's one pebble.
Yeah, just one, so we'll be ending the rainbow with green. And done the rainbow! And we are done. You ready to turn it around, Victoria? Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! And here is the front and back. Let's start from the front. We have gumdrops right on top, just on top of the roof in the rainbow. There was only one purple. We have candy canes sticking out. We have gummy stars and some lights. We also have a gummy Christmas tree beside me, the gingerbread. Victoria, the gingerbread, and the door is right there. Then this side, it has a peppermint. We have my tree. Then when you turn it to the back, the bottom is not much. There we have some candy on the ground. We have a peppermint here, Victoria's Christmas tree, and the roof is, I think, the cooler part. We have a Christmas tree that Victoria decided to put on the roof. We also have lights. Tell them what else we have on here. So these are the lights, some peppermints, and we also did the same from the roof onto here. Boop, 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 boop. Kind of. And then when you turn it around, we have a red and green window, and we have some holly on the top of them, and we have a peppermint. We hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more Christmas videos. Don't forget to leave a comment what we should do next for Christmas. And don't forget to like. You gotta smash that subscribe button. Merry Christmas! Bye! This is a song me and Valerie wrote together, and today we are going to sing it. It's called Merry Christmas. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas to you all. It's snowing. It's a white Christmas outside. There's presents under the Christmas tree. It's so beautiful outside. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas to you all. It's snowing. It's a white Christmas outside. There's presents under the Christmas tree. It's so beautiful outside. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas to you all. Lollipops and gummy bears are my favorite treat. Where'd you get some more pretty, please? Okay, so we decided that we should put the gingerbread house right behind there so you guys could always see our creation. So let's go. Okay, be careful. This is scary. Oh my God. There we go. So now you could see our gingerbread self, me and Victoria.